Handling multiple browser windows is the topic today. Handling multiple browser windows. Handling multiple browser windows. Check out this. See, first your Selenium invoke Gmail application. Your Selenium WebDriver focus will be available on the Gmail window, this window. Some action performed on the first window. I'm clicking help link. What's happening? It's opening a new tab, nothing but another HTML window. It is not the same window, a window inside the same window. It's opened a new window, another window. Where is your Selenium WebDriver focus now? Will Selenium driver focus will be automatically shifted to the new window?
No, sir.
After clicking help, a new window is opening. My question, does Selenium WebDriver focus will be automatically shifted to this new window? Will be shifted?
No, sir.
No. So here the driver focus will be still available at the first window. I want to make Selenium to interact with the elements present in the new window. We have to move the driver focus from the Gmail window to the new window open. Maybe after performing some actions on the new window, again I want to come back to the base window, main window, first window. How to move the driver focus between the windows is a topic. That is the topic, handling multiple browser windows. So initially your Selenium WebDriver invoked one window. Say for example, window 1. See, there is some element available in this window. Initially your Selenium WebDriver focus available at the main window. When some action performed on this window, say it's opening another window, window 2. In the window 2, I have some element. At the Selenium driver focus available at the window 1, when I try to write the code driver.find element, Selenium try to identify the element available in the first window. But my requirement, I want to make Selenium to identify the elements present in the new window. So it opens a new window. How you make Selenium to identify the elements present in the new window? How to make Selenium to identify the elements present in the new window? You have to move the driver focus to the new window using driver dot switch to this window. Each browser window will have a ID. That window ID we have to give. Window 1 will have some ID. Window 2 will have some ID. If you want to move the driver focus between the windows, you have to use a command driver dot switch to window. The window ID need to be mentioned. Each browser window will have a unique ID. To capture the window IDs, Selenium WebDriver provided some method, get window handle and get window handles. We'll see that. First, take some short notes about this, then we'll go with the technicals. Note down this diagram. Take the notes about it. Initially, WebDriver focus will be present. Initially, WebDriver focus will be present at window 1. Here the window meaning the window opened by the Selenium during runtime, the base window, main window. Initially, WebDriver focus will be available at window 1. If you want to make Selenium, to identify the elements, present in the new window, if you want to make Selenium to identify the elements present in the new window, we have to move the driver focus. We have to move the driver focus to the new window. We have to move the driver focus to the new window using, so take the command in the next line, using driver dot switch to window, driver dot switch to window. Every window will have an ID. The window ID we have to give. New window ID we have to give. Driver dot switch to window, window ID. Driver dot switch to window, we have to provide the window ID. See, if I do not know how to capture the second window ID or the first window ID, I cannot switch between the windows. What is this window ID? Next paragraph. Each browser window will have a unique window ID. Each browser window will have a unique window ID. Selenium WebDriver provided check out these two. In org.openqa.selenium, the main package of the Selenium org.openqs.selenium. We have the WebDriver class. This WebDriver class provide a method these two methods. Get window handle one method, get window handles another method. Take these two methods. The Selenium WebDriver provided get window handle, see the method name here, get window handle and get window handles, get window handle and get window handles to capture window IDs. To capture window IDs. Let's see how to make use of these methods, get window handle and get window handles. First, we'll see what is this get window handle. You see the return type? What is the return type of the get window handle? A single string. What is this get window handle? Every browser window will have an ID. Get window handle returns current browser window ID. Get window handle returns current browser window ID, which is a string. See, if the WebDriver focus available at window 1, if the WebDriver focus available at window 1, get window handle returns this window ID. If the driver focus available at window 2, get window handle returns second window ID. So get window handle returns current browser window ID. What do you mean by current browser window ID? Wherever the driver focus available during runtime, that window ID will be returned. Make a note of it. Get window handle. Get window handle. It returns the current browser window ID. It returns current browser window ID. It returns current browser window ID. The return type is a string. The return type is string. So look at this first program. Now your Selenium WebDriver focus available at the first window, that is Gmail window. This Gmail window will have some ID. Here, driver.getWindow handle returns current window ID, that is Gmail window ID. The return type is a string. This I am keeping in some variable, say current window. Let us print a current window. I'm running this code. You don't get the window IDs like window 1 or window 2 or window 3. System will generate a window ID like this. Chrome driver window, CD window, and some window ID. You don't get the window IDs like window 1 or window 2 or window 3, something like this. The window ID generated by the system, captured by the system, I'm putting here. Which window ID it is?
current window.
What do you mean by current window in this scenario? Gmail window ID. This window will have an ID. This window ID is captured by the Selenium code now. Right. The same code one more time I'm running. Only one window is available during runtime. That window ID is captured by your script. This is the window ID. What's your observation here?
Dynamically, it's changing, sir.
For each session, the window ID will dynamically changing. The window ID will vary from session to session. One more time I'm running the code. It's opening a new window, right? One more time I run the code, meaning it is opened a new window. But in the entire current session, same window ID will be maintained. Again, the browser is invoked, then only the window ID will be changing. So the window ID will be changing for every new session. So make a note of this. I said get window handle will capture the current browser window ID. This window ID will be changing for every new session. This window ID will be changing for every new session. In the entire session, same session, the window ID will be maintained, same window ID will be there. Again, the browser is opened, then only the window ID will be changing. So the window ID will be dynamically changing for every new session, right? The first program explaining you how to capture the current window ID using get window handle. Right. Now here, in the first window, that is in the Gmail window, there is a link on the bottom called help. Let us make Selenium to click the element. Find the element by its link text, help, and click it. I'm running this code. After clicking help link, we observed it is opening a new window. This new window will also have some ID. Which window ID it is printing here? Current meaning? Gmail window ID.
First window.
First window, that is Gmail window ID, right. Now here, again, I'm capturing the current window ID here. Again, I'm using get window handle here. You know, it returns a string. This I'm storing in some variable called temp. Here I am printing that time. My question, after clicking help, a new window is opening. Again, I use the same command get window handle. The moment the get window handle was executed here, you answer me, this command will capture the first window ID or is the second window ID?
Second window ID.
First window ID.
First window ID.
There's a mixed answer.
Second window ID, sir.
First window ID or second window ID?
First window ID.
First window ID.
Driver.getWindowHandle returns current browser window ID. Agreed, a new window open, but still your driver focus available at first window only. Does the driver's focus automatically shifting to the new window? No. Then how it capture the second window ID? As the driver focus not automatically shifting to the new window, how it captures the new window ID? No, it captures first window ID only. Still the driver focus available at window 1. Driver's focus not automatically moving. As the driver focus available at window 1, your code will capture the window 1 ID only. Please observe here. I am printing here current window first. Temp value after opening a new window, again I am capturing the window ID and printing. Same value. In the same session, same IDs will continue. Again a new browser open, then only the window ID will be changing. So here also it is captured. Here it captured.
Current window ID.
First window or second window?
Window ID.
It is capturing first window ID only. First you have printed the first window ID. After opening the new window also, again it is capturing the first window ID. Right. The driver focus not automatically moving. Still the driver focus available at window 1. Your code capture the window 1 ID. Right. If I want to move the driver focus to the new window, what I have to do? I have to use the command driver dot switch to window. You have to give the window ID. Which window ID?
Window ID.
Which window ID? My requirement, I want to click on this community. Still your driver focus available at window 1. If I want to move the driver focus to the new window open, command is driver dot switch to window, the new window ID I have to give. But here driver dot get window handle always capturing the first window ID. Without knowing the second window ID, can I able to use this command? No. Then how to, first here if I able to capture the second window ID, then only I can able to use this command. Driver.getWindow handles, it captures all browser window IDs opened in the current session. The return type is a set of strings, not a list of strings, set of string. Java set of string. Set is another Java collection. The major difference between the list and set, list accept the duplicates, set do not accept the duplicates. List accept the duplicates, set is another collection like a list, but will not allow the duplicates. The return type is a set of strings, Java set of strings. A collection that contains no duplicate elements. Set of strings. Here my Java set name is all windows. Here, current window contain Gmail window ID. All windows contain both Gmail window ID, also the new window ID opened by the current session. Here I am printing directly the set I am printing first. All windows I am printing. The entire set I am printing. First I am printing the first window ID, Gmail window ID. Then I am printing all window IDs because I am capturing all window IDs using get window handles. See, this is the output. First you printed the current window ID, which is captured using get window handle. Then we are printing all browser window IDs captured by get window handles. You please observe the values here. Get window handles will return all browser window IDs available in the current session in a sequential manner. Here the first ID belongs to window 1. This value belongs to window 2. So please observe here, first we are printing window 1 ID, right? In our code, first we are capturing and printing the first window ID, current window ID. Then I am printing the all windows. Get window handles returns all browser window IDs opened in the current session in a sequential manner. This is the first window ID and this is the second window ID. Hope you understood this program, right? Get window handle capture the current browser window ID, meaning wherever the driver focus available during runtime, that window ID will be captured. Return type is a string. Get window handles returns all browser window IDs opened in the current session in a sequential manner. The return type is a set of strings. What is a Java set? So list allow the duplicates, set do not allow the duplicates. In order to maintain the unique window IDs in the Java memory, here this return type took as a set instead of a list. Make it get window handles. Get window handles. Get window handles. It returns all browser window IDs it returns all browser window IDs open in the current session. All browser window IDs open in the current session. All browser window IDs open in the current session. Continuation. The return type is a set of strings. The return type is set of strings. When I run this code, there will be two windows open during runtime. Get window handles will capture all browser window IDs open during runtime. The return type is a set of strings. So here, this ID belongs to window 1 and this ID belongs to window 2. If I able to separate the values from the set, if I take this value into some variable, say window 1 ID, if I take this value into another variable, say window 2 ID, so I can easily able to shift between the windows using divide/switch to window ID I can provide. How to capture these window IDs? How to separate these window IDs? You please observe, it is looking like array, right? An array contains two elements here. Any Java list, any Java set we can convert to array using a function called toArray. Here what I am trying to do, Our set contains two values. First value belongs to window 1, second value belongs to window 2. If I able to separate the values into some variable, according to my coding requirement, I can able to easily switch between the windows. Here I'm creating some logic to separate the values. The Java set I'm converting to array. Any Java list, any Java set we can convert to a array format. If I convert to array, accessing the data from an array would be very simple. Array of 0 will have the first value, array of 1 will have the second value. You read the description of toArray method. It returns an array containing all of the elements available in the set. It returns an array, toArray, returns an array. What is the array data type? Object, because you know, object can hold any kind of data. ToArray returns an array of type object, maybe a list or a set that contain web element, that contains string, that contain any element, because you know any data can be kept in a object type. So what is the return type? What is the return type? A array of type. A array of type object. Here my array name, for example, Windows. The Java set I convert to array. ToArray returns an array of type object. Here, what is my array name here? Windows. Now, Windows of 0 will have first window ID. Windows of 1 will have second window ID. What type of data available here? So Windows of 0 will have 0th object available in the array. Windows of 1 will have the next object available in the array, because here the array is of type object. Okay. Driver dot switch to, currently where is the driver focus? At the window 1. I want to move the driver focus to the new window. Driver dot switch to window. It needs a window ID in the form of a string. Windows of 1 will have next window ID. But what is the data type of Windows 1? Object. But what is the data type you require here? String. So this object data type again I am converting to string because I need a string. It's nothing but typecasting. Now the driver focus will be shifted to the new window. Otherwise, what I can do here, this I am converting to a string. Object data type I am converting to a string, storing in a variable, say for example, window 1. In another variable, window 2, I am converting this to string and storing in the variable. Now here I can directly use window 2. Now the driver focus shifted to the window 2. See here, before moving the driver focus to the window 2, I am capturing the title of the window. Let us print it. You tell me when I run this code, what is the title printed? What is the what is the window title printed? Which window title printed?
First window, sir.
First window, right. See the code and answer me, what is the first window title here? Gmail. Before shifting the driver focus to the window 2, we are capturing the title of the window. Here your code will print the first window title, Gmail. After moving the driver focus to the next window, again I am printing the same. After moving the driver focus to the next window, I'm capturing the title of the window using driver.getTitle. My question, at this moment, where is the driver focus after executing this command?
Second window, sir.
Second window.
Second.
See what is the second window title here. What is second window title here? The Google account help. Here we are printing the title of the first window, which is Gmail. After moving the driver focus to the new window, again I am printing the title. The Google account help. Again, I want to move the driver focus back to the window one. What I have to do? Maybe after interacting with the elements available in the new window, again, I want to do something on the first window. What I have to do?
Switch.
Driver dot, switch to window, window one. Once this command was executed, again the driver focus shifted back to the window one. Here again I am printing the title here. At this moment, which window title it will print? The first window title, that is Gmail. Just in this program, first I demonstrated how to switch between the windows. Here itself you can observe driver focus is coming back to the window one. So like this you can shift between the windows. Now, okay, my requirement is, I want to click on community which is available in the second window. Community is the link text. First your code, open the Gmail application. Click on the help link. It's opening a new window. Using driver.getWindow handles, I'm capturing all browser window IDs into the Java set. Here the Java set I convert to an array. The to array return type is an object, but I need a string. The elements present in the array, again I converted to string into storing in the variable window 1 and window 2. Now I want to interact with the elements present in the new window. What I have to do now? Here I want to interact with the elements present in the new window. We have to move the driver focus to the new window. How? Driver dot, switch to window, window 2. After moving the driver focus back to the window 2, new window, I want to find the elements present in the new window. Find an element by its link text community and click. Find the element by the link text community and click. Let us run this code. So please observe your code, click on community. Without shifting the driver focus to the new window, if you try to write the code to find the elements available in the new window, you get an exception, no such element exception. I commented this code, shifting the driver focus to the new window. Now, where is the driver focus if this is not executed? Window win. Now driver.find element, try to find out the element available in the first window. Because of the implicitly way, It will wait for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, it will throw an exception, no such element exception. Still it is waiting because of this implicitly wait. Still your selenium trying to find out the element. Because of the implicitly wait, selenium will wait up to 20 seconds to find the element. Not able to find the element in 20 seconds, then throw the exception, no such element exception. Unable to locate the element, community. So once the driver focus shifted to the new window, your selenium able to identify the element available in the new window. Better you note down this code. The notebook itself, you can note down this code so that in one program you can understand the entire process. Online team, you also note down this code. Maybe this part is enough. What actually this logic is doing here? I'm converting a Java set to an array. Okay. You please observe here. Here I am converting a Java set to an array. Two array returns a array of data type object, but divide switch to window needs a string. This code converting object type to string. Right, note on this code. Online team, please confirm you understood this code.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note on this. Right. Still, if you have any questions on this, we'll clarify. Then I go with the next topic, handling alerts. Hope the topic is clear, right? Note down the next topic. Handling pop-ups. Pop-ups also can be called alerts. Handling pop-ups or alerts. First, let us see what is a pop-up or what is a alert here. In this application, I given a wrong username, wrong password and click login. This is called an alert. Pop-up also can be called as a alert. Look at this one. I'm opening some other application, say Snapdeal. Check. Nothing visible here. Opening other application, Amazon.
Redbus.com. Redbus.
Right. Listen. Here we are getting some notification here, right? We are showing your items that ship into India or something. Change the address, do not change something. Is it pop-up? This one. We are getting some browser notifications here asking to change the address or do not change the address. Alert. How you decide whether it is an alert or not? It's not an alert actually, it's a browser notification. In some other application, maybe Redbus he said, you get a notification asking to choose your system scanning your current location, something like this. Or accept the browser cookie, something like this. They are not alerts actually, they are notifications. Browser notifications you no need to handle. In the second application, Amazon, we have a notification asking to change the address. These browser notifications you no need to worry. How to decide it? Without handling the alert, without suspending this notification, second one, try to perform some action on the page. Without, no, 1 second. We do not do any operation on this notification. Try to perform some operation on this window. Will you be able to do it or not do it? You please confirm. Without suspending this notification, try to perform some action on the window.
We can do it, sir.
We can do it, right?
Yeah.
Right. Go back to Premise Bank application. Without handling this alert, try to perform some action on the main window.
No, we can't.
We can't.
Right. This alert must be handled. Manually, you cannot interact with the elements present in the main window. Your Selenium also cannot. The second application, Amazon, we have a notification. Without handling the browser notification, yes, you can interact with the elements present in the window. Selenium also can interact with the elements in the window. So what I'm trying to highlight, every notifications you no need to worry. Browser notifications you no need to worry. The notifications, nothing but alerts generated by your application under test you need to handle. See here, premisbank.qatech.com says incorrect username or password. This incorrect username or password generated by the browser, Chrome browser, or by your application under test.
Applications.
The application generated messages you need to handle. Browser generated notification, generic notifications you need to worry. This we must handle. Your Selenium code must handle, then only Selenium can able to interact with the elements in the window. Without handling the pop-up that alert, if you write the code, try to perform some action on the main window, you get an exception, unhandled alert. Unhandled alert. Similarly, let me show you another example here. I'm creating a new branch. I created a new branch. We received a message, new branch created successfully. Without handling this alert, try to do some action on the main window. No, try to click any one of these. Will you able to do? You cannot, because this notification, what happened? We closed it. The new branch created successfully, branch deleted successfully, whatever, they are generated by your application under test. So what I'm trying to highlight, the alerts generated by your application must be handled. The alerts generated by the browser, notifications displayed by the browser, you no need to worry. Because without handling the browser notification, you, even Selenium also can interact with the elements in a page. So now the topic is how to handle this kind of application generated pop-ups, application generated alerts. Hope you understood what we are trying to understand now. So this is your application under test. The main window. So let's say here we have some login section. User ID, the password, and the submit button. Say wrong username, wrong password is entered. When I click submit button, I'm getting some alert here. The incorrect username or password something with OK button and cancel button or something. Whatever it may be, yes or no or submit or whatever. How to handle this kind of alerts is the topic. Initially, your Selenium WebDriver focus available at the main window. If you want to suspend this alert, we have to move the driver focus to the alert using driver dot switch to alert. See, previously we used how to move the driver focus to a frame. Driver dot switch to frame. One window will have multiple frames. Frame index or frame name or frame element to be supplied. There may be multiple browser windows. Driver dot switch to window ID we have to give. At any given point of time, only there will be one active alert, correct? Until unless this alert is suspended, you cannot see another alert or another window. So at any given point of time, there will be only one active alert. You no need to give any details about the alert. Simply driver dot switch to alert. Driver focus will be shifted to the active alert, whatever the alert actively available. After moving the driver focus to the alert, we have the commands like accept, dismiss, and get text. What accept will do? What is the meaning of accept here? Accept the alert meaning OK button. Dismiss the alert meaning cancel button. I want to read the text to displayed on the alert. We can use a method called get text. Take this diagram, I'll give the notes based on this. Take the notes about it. Initially, Selenium WebDriver focus will be present. Initially, Selenium WebDriver focus will be present at main window. Selenium WebDriver focus will be present at main window. Selenium WebDriver focus will be available at main window. If you want to make Selenium, to perform any action on the alert, we have to move the driver focus. From the main window to the alert. From the main window to the alert using driver dot switch to alert. Using driver dot switch to alert. Driver dot switch to alert. Please observe here. In org.openqa.selenium package, there is a class with the name called alert. All alert related operations, methods are available inside this class. What are the methods available here? Accept the alert, click OK button. Dismiss the alert, click cancel button on the alert. Nothing but escape or enter. Escape for dismiss, enter for accept. OK, cancel. Yes, no. Get text will read the text to display on the alert. Returns a string. There's one more method we are seeing here. What is this? Send case. Supposing this alert accepting an input, asking an input from you. The alert asking some data from you. You want to key some data in an alert, we can use a method called send case. Next paragraph. Alert class provided accept, dismiss, get text methods, accept, dismiss, get text methods to perform various operations on the alert. The method names itself very clear. Accept will accept the alert, click OK button. Dismiss the alert, nothing but click cancel button. It is used to read the text to display on the alert. The first code I prepared on the Primus Bank application example. Then I'll deliver one more example on flights application. Also, we have some alerts like this. I'll explain. After invoking the Primus Bank application, I want to input a wrong username, wrong password and click login. I am spying the properties of the username element. There is ID property available called txt_uid. Driver dot find element, by the ID I'm entering some username value. I'm entering some password value here. Then I click the login element. Now we are receiving an alert. First, let me run the code till this point. We are getting an alert. I want to handle this alert. I want to only one button available here. OK button, no cancel. I want to accept this alert. Click OK button on the alert. Tell me the code. Driver dot switch to alert. Accept the alert. The alert was accepted. After clicking OK button on the pop-up window, did you observe, right? So very quickly it is doing. Now it is again I have to input the password. Finally the alert was handled. Now first I want to read the text displayed on the alert. This I am keeping in some variable. Alert message. Let us print it. What is the alert message here? Incorrect bank name or password. In the first program, I am trying to explain you all the options here. If this alert message I am converting to lowercase, the entire message I converted to lowercase, if it contains incorrect, if the alert message contains incorrect, I want to accept the alert. If the alert message contains incorrect, then I want to accept, otherwise I want to cancel. For example, just in one program I am trying to explain you the three methods. If the alert message contains incorrect, I want to click OK button, otherwise I want to click cancel button. Driver dot switch to alert, accept the alert. Otherwise, if the message do not contain incorrect, I want to click cancel button, say. Driver dot switch to alert, dismiss the alert. We have observed the alert message contains incorrect username or password something. Incorrect bank name or password. If the alert message contains incorrect in lowercase, I want to click the OK button. Only just I explained you the three major methods belongs to the alert. Get text will read the text displayed on the alert. Accept will accept the alert. Click OK button on the alert. Dismiss used to click the cancel button on the alert. In one program, I have explained you 3 major methods belongs to the alert. Yes, the message contains incorrect banker name password. The message contains incorrect, the alert was handled. This first program explaining you here all basic methods related to the alert. Hope you understood this. You note down this code so that when you refer the notes, you can understand the 3 methods. Only this part. After entering some username, password and click login, we are receiving an alert. I want to move the driver focus to the alert. Here we are moving the driver focus to the alert. Then read the text to displayed on the alert into some variable alert message. Here I am explaining you how to capture the message displayed on the alert using getText. If the message contains incorrect, I want to click OK button, accept. Otherwise, I want to click cancel button. Accept, clicks OK. Dismiss, clicks cancel. How to handle the frames, how to handle alerts, how to handle multiple browser windows, must ask your interview questions. You prepare these 3 topics well because 100% you expect some interview questions about these 3 topics. What is iframe, how to handle the iframes, how to handle an element present in a frame, how to handle the alerts, what is an alert, how to handle the alerts. Supposing in my application, when I perform an action, I am getting a new tab, a new window. I want to make Selenium to find out the elements present in a new tab or a new window. How you identify the elements present in a new window? Here the expected question, what they are asking you, how to handle the multiple browser windows. By asking some questions related to alerts, iframes, multiple browser windows, they're checking do you have the knowledge about how to handle the alerts, how to handle the windows, and how to handle the iframes. Like export. Export, one of the must ask interview question. What is export? When to use export? How to use various properties in export? How to use multiple properties in export? How to use conditions in export? Starts with contains. How to identify the elements present in a page using location using export. What is partial export? What is absolute export? Like another important topic for the interview, how to handle the frames, how to handle the multiple browser windows, and also how to handle the alerts. Tomorrow I'll give one more example for handling the alerts. Also I'll talk about implicitly wait and explicitly wait in detail tomorrow. The other must ask an interview question, what is implicitly wait and what is explicit wait? As of now, we have not used explicit wait anywhere. Here we can use. The application taking some amount of time to generate the alert. If the application taking some amount of time to display the alert, after clicking OK button, login button, what is your Selenium trying to do here? Your Selenium code entered a username, password, and click login. Immediately, what's your Selenium trying to do? Moving your driver focus to the alert. Supposing your application taking little amount of time to populate the alert, but Selenium driver focus trying to move to the alert. Alert is still not a display to the Selenium. You'll get an exception, no alert found. Here I can make Selenium wait until the alert is generated. Alert is displayed to you. Once the alert is displayed, then move the driver focus to the alert. Here we have to use explicit condition. Wait until the alert is displayed, then move the driver focus to the alert. Wait until an element is clickable, then click it. Wait until the element is visible, then perform some action on the element. We can implement some explicit wait condition. Implicitly, wait will be triggered when there is a problem in finding the element. Element available, not clickable. Element is identified but not clickable. I have to make Selenium wait until the element is clickable, then wait until the alert is populated, then move the driver focus to the alert. We have to use explicit wait conditions. Hope this is understood, right? Right. Online team, this program understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. See here. I'm giving one more example for the alert. I'll write the code tomorrow. I'll explain just. Log in as a registered user in the flight application. Did you register your account in this to practice? You can register. Directly you can register your account. See, I'm explaining some scenarios in the why we made one more application. I'm explaining some scenarios in RHRM or any other generic application, Snapdeal, something like this. To cover the entire Selenium topics, we made this application. All possibilities by the Selenium is available here. Log in as a registered user. Go to flight bookings. Maybe I have only 2 records. Tomorrow I feed few more records. I want to click the delete button. Just give me a second. Let's say there are about 10 records in this table. I want to delete a particular order ID, the order number 208584, something like this. I'll give the order number. If I simply write the code driver.find element by the link text, delete and click it, what happened? Here, if my code is driver.find element by the link text, delete and click it, what happens? Always it will click the first to delete link. There are many here. I want to delete a particular order number. Here again we repeat, we explore working with the tables concept. It is also a table. In the last column, last TD element, there are multiple child elements. See, this is also one table element. The last TD element has multiple anchor elements. I want to click the delete link belongs to a particular order number 2084 or something. After clicking delete, I am getting an alert. If the alert contains delete, I want to click OK button, otherwise I want to click cancel button. Get text I can use. Accept I can use. Dismiss also I can use. Also working with the tables concept. A small work to you or assignment to you. In this flights application, build a script to delete the given order ID. You have to decide the order number in your code. Declare one variable order number, store the data into the variable order number, say 2084, 2081. Whatever the order number you have given, corresponding delete link to be clicked. You try this code. Whatever the order number you have given, corresponding order number to be deleted. That is my requirement. Not the very first order every time. First you try, tomorrow I will build the code for this. Here you get a concept of again working with table. Also you will get a very good logic here. I do not want to delete the very first record every time. I want to delete a particular order number. Working with the tables concept, working with the child elements concept, working with the alerts concept, all can be covered in one program. First you try, I will write the code tomorrow for this. Okay? Right. So majorly today we have focused on two topics, how to handle the multiple browser windows, also how to handle the alerts. Tomorrow I'm going to give you another example of the alerts on the flight application. First you try, and tomorrow I'll write the code in the class. After completion of this topic, alerts, I'll teach you another topic to you, that is implicitly wait and explicitly wait comes under a chapter called synchronization in automation testing. What is thread or sleep? What is implicitly wait? What is explicitly wait? We discussed thread or sleep already, you know. Implicitly wait also you know, but I was not given any notes for this. Majorly for implicitly wait. Also, I introduce you another concept of synchronization tomorrow, that is explicit wait condition. Okay? Thank you. We continue tomorrow. Thank you, online team. We'll continue tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.